We're all trying to make healthier choices, but healthier doesn't necessarily mean bland. Well, not in my kitchen. So bring out Happy Days 4 pizza bases. We're going to prepare 2 toppings. A first topping, a tomato vegetarian pizza. You will need 1 tin chopped tomatoes, an assortment of baby tomatoes, as well as any pre-cut tomatoes left in your fridge, grated cheddar cheese, a handful of baby greens. First, the tinned chopped tomatoes. Add salt to taste, some pepper to taste, 2 minced garlic cloves, and a drizzle of olive oil. And mix. Now bring out your Happy Days bases and spoon the chopped tomato salsa onto each base. When done, first place your sliced leftover tomatoes onto each base. And then cut up your baby tomatoes. Add some cheese. And now place the baby tomatoes on top of the cheese. And a bit more cheese. And in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Preheated to 200 degrees. Make sure you've washed your hands. Whilst the pizzas are baking, let's quickly dress the baby greens. And drizzle with some olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. And toss. And place in the fridge till you're ready to serve. And 10 to 12 minutes later, let's bring out the pizza and the baby greens. Look at that. Simple and delicious. It's all melty and cheesy and tomatoey and yummy and Let's add the greens. The higher you raise your hands when garnishing, the more people think you know what the hell you're doing. Isn't that just beautiful? And slice any way you like. Sometimes I like to cut my pizza like this, but the old-fashioned way is still king. Guys, come taste delicious tomato and baby green pizza, either as a snack or as a meal. And now a little something for our vegan friends. And no bad vegan jokes either, okay? Right, let's get started. We're making a mushroom, onion, and bell pepper pizza for our second set of bases. In a pan, olive oil. Once heated, half a red onion diced, and saute for a few minutes. Now add 2 garlic cloves minced. And once you start smelling that beautiful aroma from the pan, add half a cup of red peppers, half a cup of yellow peppers, and half a cup of green peppers, and saute for about 3 to 4 minutes. And lastly, add your 2 cups of sliced button mushrooms. Add some salt and pepper to taste. At this point, you can add some chili flakes for a bit of woohoo! And right now, we all could do with a little bit of woohoo in our lives. And saute until beautifully brown. I wanted to saute till the mushrooms and the peppers are soft, 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 soft. If you can flip the pan, now is the time to flip. But only if you can. Otherwise, I see you on all fours cleaning and mopping. Once done, remove from the heat. Now, in a bowl, your tin of chopped tomatoes, a drizzle of olive oil, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon pepper, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of dry basil. Give it a mix, and let's bring out the pizza bases. Place an equal amount of the tomato salsa on each base. Spread evenly, and in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. You know the drill, 200 degrees preheated. And 10 to 12 minutes later, out they come. That basil tomato smells amazing. And let's top these babies. Look at those colors. And now for the parmesan. Calm down, people. It's vegan parmesan, made with hemp seeds, nutritional yeast, and garlic powder. I bought it at the store. Everyone's a critic. Now, let's finish up with some fresh basil leaves. A slice into 8 or 4 slices, and vegan pizza has never tasted so yummy. Yep, our Happy Days bases are vegan. So, how do you know someone is vegan? They tell you. I know it's old, but it's a good one.